Working now 6 years for Yünsa, for taking care for the design of the ladies collection and for sales, also for ladies customers. Yeah, it's a good combination because you get always the response of the customer. You are showing the things you made, you get the input of the customer, you get of course the critics of the customer, and it's very helpful to create the collection. Yes, you have two things. You have the collection, which needs to be follow global trends, of course, and when you work with customer, there are some special demands for colors, for change some blends, change some designs. Yes, this is the two sides. In the ladies wear, they want some special things. This is really important because you cannot cover everything in the collection. So it's often that they want special things to be developed. The trends we cover in the collection because we are a woolen supplier. So we have a lot of woolen blends. We have a pure wool, always with lycra for the ladies because they absolutely need the power stretch or the comfort. And we have various blends to show that also with a lower contents of wool we can make soft and nice fabrics. Also in the German market we have a change. This is mainly influenced from the sales of the customer and of the price politic. And the price politic for sure is going down on one hand, and on the other hand the challenge is to find out which customer can buy the added value fabrics which are in higher price. And the trend is also, when you look in the total, there is the trend of sustainability. Okay, what I see and what is said for a trend in the textile fabric world is you need to offer fabric with sustainability, means recycled yarns, means also GOTS certification, what is the origin of the fibers you are using, things like that. What is the circle to circle, how can a garment come in the textile circle again. This is one trend. You can see it all over the fair that companies are showing this. And the other trend for the fabrics is added value. What can a fabric do more than being a fabric? It can protect you. Fabric can give you special things for your body, for your body climatization, things like that. And the third thing is we are doing a very traditional way of sampling. We are preparing samples as a woven thing, as a handloom or as a blanket. And then we make the hangers, the customer is coming, they cut, and then they make the collection. But nowadays you want to have the collection on the iPad. So this is also a trend to bring your collection not only on the hanger. Customers are familiar with using the iPads to check the new trends. And we need to bring our collection also visible on these media. And there's also an effect when you put it on these media. It's not necessary to weave them in real. You can work with CAD, and then you are faster. You save money. This is an interesting point for us. I am now attending this since 1993, 25 years. Yes, when we look at the past, the fair was much more crowded because there was a different timing of the collections of the customer. There was not so many collections during the year. So what I feel is Premier Vision date could be a little too late for some customers. For example, I speak for the German customers. German customers are less because for them it's late. We see a lot of English customers, we see a lot of US customers, so maybe for them it's okay. But what I only can say for the market we take care for it's a little too late.